Hi everyone, this is Jay Torres and welcome back to Would You Like to Make. Today, I've got something exciting to unbox and review for you. The Bosch GKS 185Li Brushless Cordless Circular Saw. I've been eagerly waiting for this one, so let's dive right in and see what's inside the box. Would you like to make? Alright, here's the moment we've all been waiting for. As I open the box, the first thing I notice is how well everything is packed. Bosch always does a great job with their packaging, ensuring that their tools arrive in perfect condition. This handy little accessory, the parallel guide, is an essential addition to the circular saw. It's designed to assist you in making precise, straight cuts with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, having this tool in your kit can significantly enhance your cutting accuracy. What I really appreciate about this parallel guide is its robust construction. It's made from high-quality materials and the measurements are clear and easy to read. The guide ensures your cuts are not only straight but also consistent, which is crucial for a variety of woodworking and construction projects. Now, let's move on to the second item that comes right out of the box, and that's the user's manual. You might be tempted to dive straight into the tool, but trust me, this little booklet here is a treasure trove of information that can make your woodworking and DIY projects a whole lot easier. The user's manual is a comprehensive guide provided by Bosch to help you get the most out of your GKS 185Li cordless circular saw. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this booklet is your go-to resource for understanding your tool inside and out. And there it is! The Bosch GKS 185Li Brushless Cordless Circular Saw. It feels solid and well built right out of the box, which is always a good sign. Before we get into more details, let's talk about some of the key features that make the circular saw stand out. First and foremost, it's a brushless motor, which means it's going to be more efficient and durable compared to brushed motors. That's a big plus for me because it ensures a longer tool life. And I'm really impressed with how lightweight the circular saw feels. Another great feature is the ergonomic design of the handle. It feels comfortable to hold and provides secure grip, which is important when working on those demanding cutting tasks.
It has an integrated LED light that automatically illuminates your workspace when you squeeze the trigger. This feature proves incredibly helpful, ensuring you get accurate cuts even in low light conditions.
And the most exciting feature is the cordless design. This saw is powered by a lithium-ion battery, which gives you the freedom to work anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. Plus, it's part of the Bosch 18-volt lineup. So, if you already have other Bosch 18-volt tools, the batteries are interchangeable.
Now, let's talk about removing and attaching the blade. It's a straightforward process. First, make sure the battery is removed for safety. Locate the blade spindle lock button near the blade guard. Push and hold this button down to lock the spindle in place. This prevents the blade from rotating. Then, using the included hex wrench, you can loosen the arbor nut and remove it. Open the blade guard and hold it up. Then remove the blade. Now, let's reverse the process of removing the blade. To attach the blade, first open the blade guard. While holding it up, place the blade back onto the arbor. Reattach the arbor nut and then push and hold the spindle lock button down to prevent the blade from rotating. Using the included hex wrench, tighten the arbor nut to secure the blade in place. That's it! The maximum cutting capacity of this saw is really impressive. It can handle cuts up to 57mm or about 2.25 inches at 90 degrees, which is fantastic for a cordless circular saw in this class. And if you need to make bevel cuts, it can still handle 45-degree bevel cuts up to 41mm or about 1.62 inches. That versatility is going to come in handy for a wide range of projects. To adjust the blade angle for bevel cuts, turn the locking lever counterclockwise to unlock it. Then, tilt the base of the saw to your desired angle. The angle can be adjusted from 0 to 45 degrees. After setting your desired bevel angle, lock the adjustment lever in place by turning it clockwise. This action secures the base at the chosen bevel angle. The angle can be extended up to 50 degrees when necessary.
Now, let's see how easy it is to get the circular saw up and running. I've got the battery right here, and I'm going to attach this to the circular saw. It's a straightforward process. First, locate the battery compartment on the tool. Make sure the battery terminals align correctly with the tool. Simply slide it in until it clicks into place. And there we go, it's attached now. Let's test it out. I'm going to press the power trigger here to start the circular saw.
Wow! Did you hear that? That's the sound of power. This thing starts up instantly, and I can feel the energy it packs. It's running smoothly and effortlessly. You can tell right away that it means business. To set the cutting depth, turn the locking lever upward to unlock the base. Adapt the cutting depth to the thickness of the workpiece. A space of less than the height of one full tooth should be visible under the workpiece. After setting the proper cutting depth, turn the locking lever downward to lock and secure the blade at the chosen cutting depth. One of the very important features of this circular saw is its dust collection port or chip ejector. You can directly connect this to Bosch GKS 1225PL dust collector vacuum like this one, or any brand or model will do for safer use. The primary function of a dust collection port is to collect sawdust and debris as it's produced by the saw blade, making the work area cleaner and improving visibility. Dust collection is essential for maintaining a healthier and safer work environment. Inhaling fine dust particles can be harmful to your respiratory system, so effective dust collection is crucial. Alright, let's put this circular saw to the test. I have here a piece of 2x8 lumber, and I'm going to make a clean, straight cut to showcase its cutting power and accuracy. There we go. It sliced through this piece of wood like it was butter. This circular saw has some serious cutting power. It's got the speed and precision that I look for in a cordless circular saw. In summary, the Bosch GKS 185Li Brushless Cordless Circular Saw is a tool that both professionals and DIY enthusiasts can rely on for their woodworking needs. Its combination of durability, ergonomic design, precision, and versatility makes it an excellent investment. Whether you're tackling everyday projects or more specialized tasks, this circular saw has the power and features to help you get the job done efficiently and effectively. I'm genuinely excited about what this tool can do, and I believe you will be too.
So, there you have it, folks. That's my first impression of this Bosch GKS 185Li Brushless Cordless Circular Saw. It's not only powerful, but it's also responsive, making it a joy to work with. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, this circular saw is definitely going to make your cutting task much more efficient and enjoyable. I'm really excited to put this tool through its paces and see how it performs in real-world applications. Stay tuned for the full review when I'll be testing its cutting power and overall usability. If you have any questions or if there's anything specific you'd like me to cover in the upcoming review, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss the full review and other exciting tool related content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.